Trial date has now been set for the operator of the limousine company involved in the deadly crash in Schoharie in 2018.
Nauman Hussain's trial will begin on May 1st. Hussain and his defense lawyers chose to go to trial after Judge Peter Lynch rejected a plea deal last month. That plea deal was reached by a different judge last year and would have allowed Hussain to avoid prison time.
The trial will now begin more than 4 years after the crash.
News 10 ABC's Juliana Bruno telling us how some of the victims' families feel about having to wait even longer.
I am not going to abide by the plea agreement.
Judge Peter Lynch's decision last month to reject the plea deal that would have given limo company operator Nauman Hussain 5 years of probation brought applause from families who lost loved ones in the 2018 crash that killed 20 people. In a virtual hearing this morning, a trial date was set for May 1st of next year. But the reaction to this decision isn't as joyful.
This has been 4 years, and I know justice has to move slowly sometimes to get it right, but I think family members have gone through enough pain and tragedy right now, and this should be expedited right now.
Kevin Cushing, who lost his son Patrick in the crash, telling me, quote, "This whole process is both confusing and frustrating for the families. We have little to no say in how this plays out for trial, and the time frame for the trial adds more stress for all concerned. It'll be over 4.5 years for this criminal trial to supposedly begin." According to a transcript from this morning's hearing, Hussain's attorneys had scheduling conflicts with 2 dates the judge suggested for this year. Then DA Susan Mallory asked the judge for more time to prepare for trial, and he chose the May date. I visited her office in an attempt to get a comment, and in an email to me, she said her office is, quote, ethically prohibited from making public comments regarding pending matters, adding that there are limited exceptions that do not apply here. Meanwhile, the deadline is approaching for the New York State Stretch Limousine Safety Task Force, which was created as a result of the crash, to submit its final report and recommendations to the governor and legislature. Several of Senator Jim Tedisco's constituents died in the crash, and he's making a push for the report deadline to be extended until the state inspector general releases its findings of an investigation into the state's role in all of this.
They cannot give that report. It would be unconscionable. It would be shameful if the IG's report isn't put forth, given to them, given to us as legislators, and given to the public in the media.
If the deadline does not get extended, that Limo Safety Task Force report is due on October 1st. Reporting in Schoharie, Juliana Bruno, News 10, ABC.